Hello, in front of me I've got Volkswagen Golf Sportsvan. In this video I'll show you which engine is best. The 1.5 TSI EVO found in later models is excellent petrol choice, but among 214 versions, the 1.4 TSI with proper maintenance offer the best balance of performance and economy. The 2.0 TDI is ideal for drivers covering long motorway distances thanks to its strong torque and excellent fuel efficiency. 1.6 TDI is another economical option with lower insurance cost. Buyers should ensure that DSG gearboxes have been serviced according to Volkswagen schedule. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.